Morning, dear students. Today let us learn about the globe, Earth's model. Social Study Chapter 1. You can see in your book page number 5. So we'll discuss here few things about the Earth. The Earth is one of the 9 planets that revolve around the Sun. So we have 9 planets that revolve around the Sun. And the Earth is the only planet where life exists. Means it is the only one planet where we can live. Life does not exist in any other planet except the Earth. So Earth is a unique planet, means it is very important and valuable planet. The Earth is very big and beautiful, which is the home of millions of living things. Like birds also live in the Earth, animals, plants, trees, and we human beings. So it is the home of all the living things. Its surface is covered with land and water and is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. So here we know what is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air, and it has many landforms and features on its surface like rivers, ocean, valleys, mountain, plateau, hills, and plains. Our Earth is spherical in shape, means the Earth is round in shape, but its edges, mean the end of the Earth, are flat. In the olden days, people believed that the Earth was flat, so they are afraid to travel too far. They are afraid of falling from the Earth. Hence, they are afraid. This myth was rejected by one astronomer, Polish astronomer. His name is Copernicus. He believed that the Earth is circular in shape. So his theory was proved right in 1522 when Ferdinand Magellan, he sailed from the Earth and his ship reached the place where he had started. Thus, he proved that the Earth is round and not flat. Today we have so many evidence proof that the Earth is round. The pictures taken from the satellite prove that the Earth is round, and we have the globe that is the model of the Earth, and it is proof that the Earth is round like a ball. Now we'll discuss what is a globe. See, a globe is a small man-made model of the Earth. And why the globe is useful to us? Because the globe gives us the accurate idea of the location of places on the Earth. It shows us the shape, size, direction, land area, and water bodies on the Earth. Hence, the globe is very useful to us. And a globe also shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the Earth. The Earth is covered with water bodies called oceans. See, the Earth has plenty of water. So there are 4 oceans on the Earth. So what are the 4 oceans of the Earth? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. And the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Vast water bodies smaller than the ocean are also called what? Seas. There are many seas in the world. Some of them are the Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea, and the Red Sea. Besides these, we have lakes, waterfalls, rivers, ponds, etc. There are different forms of water bodies on the surface of the Earth. Now, what is a continent and how many continents we have in our world? In a world, what is a continent? We learned here what is a continent. A very large mass of land, means a very big area of land, is called a continent. We have 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. And Asia is the biggest continent in the world, and the smallest continent is Australia. It is impossible to see the earth on a globe. So sometimes we have to turn the globe to see the place. To see the other half, we have to turn the globe, and that the imaginary line on the globe is called axis, and the globe is divided into two parts, and it is called an equator. So till today we have discussed the axis, equator, oceans, the seas, what is globe. Next class we will learn about the latitudes, longitudes and the meridian sea.